Previously on Pfispeed.
Damn, that's a lot of torque.
728. Holy crap. Totally made it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Pfispeed and your half hour of power. Today I've got Jonathan's Evo on the dyno from HP Auto Repair, and this thing's looking to get down. We're gonna have Kevin up on the keyboard today. Welcome back. He's been out selling houses and doing his side thing too.
Trying.
Yeah. But today we're gonna rip it, and this thing's on what are you tuning on?
Stock ECU.
Stock ECU. EC flash, right on. So we're gonna get down on this. What did it make on this dyno before?
649.
649.
Yep.
So we'll try to see if we can't make a little more power, because I heard you got beat by a little Del Sol.
Oh, that's no comment.
No comment, no comment. But anyway, we're gonna start getting down on this thing. What turbo is this?
It's a eBay Pulsar 35 84 RS.
Very cool.
Ball bearing, you know.
And what's in the motor?
It's a 2.3 Golden Bill JE pistons, Crowder IB rods, Manly 100mm crankshaft.
Say that again.
It's a Manly 100mm crankshaft, JE pistons.
I just want to hear him say 100 millimeter.
Come on, man, come on.
English isn't very good.
That's awesome, man.
English not very good looking.
I know. I told Javi that we need to have you and him down here, and we'll do a whole episode in Spanish.
Oh, hell yeah.
Wouldn't that be fun?
Hell yeah.
I think it'd be fun.
I will shine on that one.
Yeah, right. I will not. But I'll get some good lessons, that's for sure. So we're gonna get this thing strapped down and ready to make some jam. But she is super good looking. This thing is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Ah, awesome. All right, guys, let's get busy, make some jam.
All right, guys, we're back. We got Jonathan's Evo on the dyno. He just changed the turbo to a 3584 RS. Used to have a Super 99 on it, which was big and laggy. We're gonna see what it makes on the first initial base map here. What he came in with. We'll see what it actually did. Then we'll start adjusting from there.
Clean it up, let's go home.
660, huh?
Yep. Looks good. What did we make before?
649.
Okay, that's a good start.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all.
I drove this far for 660. Turn it up.
So you gotta turn it up, Kev.
That's what I'm doing.
All right.
Okay.
What did you find is the blubber?
I didn't see anything wrong. He didn't. Their fins were great. I just assumed it was shit. Because it goes down to like 6 degrees right there.
Did the boost, was it peaking at that point, or
Man,
like gap or anything weird? Because it was definitely a
boost is here and
boost.
no, it's not good enough. This doesn't log, like this got a 4-bar map on it. So this thing logs like 2-bit load. And
9 degrees. Yeah, that'll do it.
These things don't run much anyway, but you might see 12 or 13 on the top end. It has nothing in it. Alright guys, we made some changes. We're using ECU flash with the stock ECU. So we went in and changed some parameters in the high octane ignition map. Where it was running now, it was pretty low timing. There was a little burble between probably 4,000 and 5,000 RPMs that looked like it was timing related. It just had none in it. That's right where peak torque is, and the boost was coming in, and it just probably put the fire out, is what it sounded like. We're gonna go in. We didn't touch any of the boost control yet. We just made a couple changes there, added a little fuel where it needed, took some out on the top end, and we're gonna make another pull. Scratch that, battery's dead.
683.
Yeah, I think we need to gap him down.
Okay. I'll pull your plugs, bro. Gap them down.
So you got the plugs gapped at 14 thousandths. And I think we're ready to go and make some jam. This thing just looks awesome. So pissed. Nothing to the top of the gate, so it's kind of going to be fighting some of it to get the high boost because the back pressure will start to try to push the valve up. So it's kind of a challenge, but this thing's pretty tight, man.
Made a couple changes to the map, put a little more boost in it. The last one made 683. We're going to shoot for 700 on this one. Hopefully it makes the boost that we need. If not, we're going to have to change the boost control routing. Right now it's got the Pfispeed 3-port on the stock ECU. It's got one line going to the bottom, so it's acting like a big bleed on the bottom of the gate. We're going to need to put a line to the top if we want to make all the boost that we can here to help it spool faster, and it will get us the boost pressure we're looking for. Alright, we're going to go ahead and make a pull now. We're making all our pulls in 4th gear, and we're going to give her heck and see what she does.
Watched it just zing off of there.
I felt it.
664. Pull that graph back up. See where it dropped at, maybe. You're gonna have to kind of scroll. I mean, it looks like it was right at the end of the pole. I think maybe we just got some intake temps in it.
Probably.
Okay.
All right, we got the line fixed and ready to go.
It cooled down quite a bit. The intake air temps were getting pretty high. He's got some stainless boost pipes on the cold side, and they're holding a lot of heat, where the hot side is actually aluminum, so it's radiating the heat off and getting cooler quicker. So we're gonna make a pull here, see what it does, and hopefully closer to 700. Woo! Made some jam. 746.
All right, Kevin, what are we doing?
We're gonna make a max boost pull.
All right, what do we do? Line to the top?
Yep.
All
Yep, we
right.
took the boost controller out and just sealed it shut.
There we go. Oh, better move your mouse. Your dyno shut off.
Made 746 on the last hole.
Woo.
So we're hoping for 770 would be all right for me. 780.
Was it to the top of the gate last pole or no?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, we could get party.
So it's party time. That's my dog. All right.
Yeah. Yeah. I was worried, yeah. I was watching.
I saw you getting worried for a second. You were like, oh.
756.
756.
756, bro.
That's all it makes, man. It sees about 42, 43 pounds.
Okay. Sees about 42, 43 pounds. That's all she wrote.
That's it?
Yep.
Well, that's it.
That's it.
Where's the nitrous?
Where's the bottle?
Where's the nitrous?
That's 100 horsepower more than last time. Yep.
That's 100 more than last time. That's legit. What do you think of that, Goofy? It's pretty cool, huh? Are you an Evo lover?
Yeah,
You ready for an Evo? You just like the all-wheel drive stuff? It's awesome. Can't wait to see yours.
Heck yeah.
It's coming up fast. I heard your trans is almost done. Woo! Things are about to happen for you. Pretty excited, man. Well, Kavrina,
I need more.
I know. I mean, we could put a nitrous kit on it. I could spray from a distance. The hose was so close. The first hose looked like it was gonna get eaten, so that's why I waved you off.
Man, I could throw.
And the other one was flirting with it, but I thought it would ride in it road. So.
This is gonna load it harder than the road, but
Oh, definitely, man.
especially with those tires. I bet
Yeah.
they're eating 30 horse at least. Those radials.
Oh
on the
man,
floor.
yeah, and how much loads on this pole? You can hear it.
I almost thought
It sounds forever.
feels forever.
You're just like, well, here we go.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Gap in the plugs fixed that part though.
Yep.
That blurbering was gone right away. And what'd you guys end up setting them to?
14.
14.
Yep, 14.
The new magic number. It's been the number all week.
I know, it's crazy.
Oh, like it comes in packs or something.
Yeah. 18 was the number, now it's 14.
Yeah. 18, 17, 14. 14's the number for this season.
I gotta do the 2-step because I need it a little higher and rowdier. And oh yeah, man. About it.
Well, good work, dude.
Thanks.
That ought to get things done.
I think so.
Not bad for an eBay turbo.
No, not at all.
It's awesome. All right, we're gonna set the 2-step up, make a rip. I just pulled it back a little bit more.
I'll fix it.
I know.
A little longer.
Not too bad. What RPM was that? My man.
Always.
What you think, buddy?
It's rowdy now. Yep. Perfect. Came out great.
Now you can beat the Del Sol?
Oh, Del Sol, you ain't got nothing against me, bro.
There you go. I hear a rematch.
Coming soon.
Make sure you send us the videos.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
You're in charge of that.
Yep.
Send us videos.
We'll give you a minute of fame for him, you know. You got a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Get your cage ready so you don't get kicked out from the track. Street car coming for you, homie.
There you go.